Today we're going to be baking this, a banana nutty pear bread on this edition of Hack Fakes Real Bakes. First preheat your oven to gas mark 4 or 180 degrees Celsius. Next grab 2 ripe bananas. To speed up the ripening time you can use this amazing Tan My Banana app. But before you overripe it, do as Stanley Kirk Burrell says and stop, and hammer time it to a pulp. Measure out 80 grams of soft brown sugar. Prepare 120 grams of soft butter. You can use a microwave if you're too impatient for it to soften by room temperature, but get a kick out of cleaning the oven. Next you need 2 fresh eggs, either from a supermarket or eggplant, but just look out for the line mark. Crack your eggs out and do as MJ says and beat it. Wait for 2 pear drops. Show them to the camera and cube them. Take 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next obtain 250 grams of flour. It can be strong white flour or plain will also do. But if you find it difficult to get hold of, here's a hack. Get yourself a vacuum nozzle and give your home a deep clean. Get right into those neglected areas, like the sofa. Now most people chuck this out, but this is the good stuff. Tip the contents into a sieve and do as Taylor Swift says and shake it off. Shake it off. But in all honesty, please don't eat this. Grab a cuddly friend and shake out 120 grams of your nuts of choice. Or in my case, I'm using sunflower seeds as an alternative. Take a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of black treacle, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, a tablespoon of hazelnut syrup, a tablespoon of maple syrup, but you can always use honey in the absence of these sweet flavors. Pour all of the content into a bowl, but you can save a handful of pear cubes if you prefer your bread with whole pieces. Now you can use an electric whisk, but I find it quicker just to punch it into a good consistency. Add in a tablespoon of chia seeds for a little texture and mix in gently the remaining pear pieces. Pour your mixture into a tin and then place it in your oven for approximately 50 minutes. After, you can check with a skewer to see if it's cooked through, but you should end up with a brown brick like this. Leave to cool before cutting into slices, but as an added treat, it can be enjoyed with a generous helping of extra rich cream.